Previously, we have learned the alteration of memorandum. In that, we have discussed the name clause alteration and situation clause alteration. For register office of the company, is situated on the website of the company. Previously, we have learned the alteration of memorandum. In that, we have discussed the name clause alteration and situation clause alteration for register office from one state to another state. Now, here we are going to learn that the change in the object of the company. When we discuss about the change in the object of the company, the thing that we need to understand over here is who can make change in the object clause and how. What's the procedure? Where the company has raised money from public through prospectus in which they have mentioned that we want money from you for these objects. So through prospectus, they have raised the money from public. Now, if they want to change their objects, then they need the permission from the public or their approval should be there. But how it would be possible? How should it be done? So for that, the company has unutilized money out of that raised money, out of the money so raised, can change the objects for which the money so raised is to be applied only after there is a procedure that what it has to do is has to pass special resolution through postal ballot. It has to pass special resolution through postal ballot. And the notice in respect of the resolution in the notice in respect of the resolution for altering the object shall contain the following particulars. MT, G, G, MPG, what the total money received? Money has three parts. Total money received, total money utilized for the object, and unutilized money. The particulars of the alteration, the justification of such alteration, then it has to say it has to provide estimated estimated financial impact of such alteration in terms of earnings and cash flow, and then it has to provide um, other relevant information which is material and necessary. Here you have one year material or necessary for the users of the financial for the investor who invest in the money through prospectus in the company through prospectus. And here we will see this particulars: total money received, MT, money unutilized, and money utilized for the objects, money unutilized, and particulars of the proposed alteration or change in the objects, and justification for the such alteration, the amount proposed to be utilized for new objects, for new object, for money you proposed to be utilized, that we need to disclose an estimated financial impact of the proposed alteration on the earnings and cash flow of the company, then other relevant information which is necessary for the members to take an informed decision on the proposed resolution, then placed from here any the P for place where any interested person may obtain a copy of the notice of resolution to be passed. Then advertisement. The advertisement giving details of each resolution. And so for each resolution, they have to provide the advertisement to be passed for changing objects simultaneously to the dispatch of the postal ballot notices to shareholders shall be published in the newspaper, one in English and one in vernacular language, which is in circulation at a place where the registered office of the company is situated and hosted on the website of the company. It will dissenting shareholders to change of objects. Uh, Descending shareholders to change of the object. The descending shareholder shall be given an opportunity of given an opportunity to exceed by the promoters and shareholders having control in accordance with the regulation to be specified by the SEBI. Registrar to certify the registration of on alteration of the object. Subsection 9 says the registrar shall register any alteration of the memorandum with respect to the objects of the company and certify the registration within a period of 30 days from the date of filing of the special resolution under clause A to subsection 6 of this section. Subsection 10 provides that alteration made under this section, section 13, shall have effect only after it has been registered in accordance with the provisions of this section. Subsection 11 states any alteration of the memorandum in the case of a company limited by guarantee and not having share capital intending to give any person a right to participate in the divisible profit of the company otherwise than as a member shall be filed. And the provision is confirming and extending provision to section 4 subsection 7. Now, we will discuss alteration of articles in our next video. Okay, thank you.